Hey guys, it's day 2 since we got the keys to our house, and I just wanted to make a small update. The Ikea guys have been here and they have installed the master bedroom closet. It's the pack. I think a lot of you know about that. And yesterday we had the curtain guys. They came over and did our curtains. And this is supposed to sit like this for 14 days. And that's not a problem because we are just moving in. And look, it goes all the way out there. I love it. We have the same curtains here in the living room. Very romantic. I think some people, they don't like curtains like this. See, all the way here. Yes. All the way here. And sorry about the plastic bags there, but here in the entrance we have just put these ones. I don't know how they call them in English, this type. And in the washing area we have that type, like we just pull it down. We didn't want to put in like the other curtains. Yep. So I actually wanted the curtains like in the other side in here, but yeah, I think I'm happy with this because the other curtain, they can make the room look smaller and heavy. So we have these in here, same also in Yan's room, and then we have this kind because we wanted it to match the other room in the laundry area, because the rooms are so close to each other, so we wanted it to match from the outside. So that is the update, guys. I want to update you so we don't have to make long videos, but how beautiful are these curtains? In the beginning I didn't like them when they were hanging them up, but now I think I love them. But these are going to be the one that make us decide which kind of furniture we want to buy. We already have a gray furniture, but I'm thinking we might go with the gray in the house. Gray, maybe gray, white, and a little bit of black. I don't know. So we don't want to be matching too many colors. We want it to be very soft and, yeah, very Scandinavian style. Minimalistic, probably. I'm not a good minimalistic person, but yeah, we're going to be working on that. And if you're wondering why the kitchen looks like this, because we're going to have a deck turn on, and yeah, they're going to come and I think install it, I think Tuesday. So this is a small update, guys. Stay tuned. Bye.